Say hey, Zeba. This is Zeba. Should give Dixon a challenge.
Yeah.
Hello there, Chili. Chili is the dog of a friend of mine from childhood who's not with us any longer. Adam's younger brother, Adrian Falconsell. She's a good girl. Yes, she is. Everybody meet Adam. Adam is a good friend from childhood. I got a feeling I'm going to be seeing more of him on the old YouTube. So, I know it's dark out here. Where are we going to Summit, Adam? We are going to Summit Music Pass. It is a beautiful, clear, stars everywhere. Morning in West Cliff, Colorado. Heading up into either the Sangre de Cristo mountains for Music Pass, or I believe maybe the Wet Mountains. Really excited.
See the peak?
Yeah.
There's a little bit of a tan spot sort of below it. The trail is at the base of that sort of tan spot.
Gotcha.
That's where we're hiking. There.
Starting to get some pretty colors in the ponderosas. Pitter patter. About to start the ascent. Or I'll let Adam tell us what we're doing, Adam.
Okay, we're starting the ascent up Music Pass. And so I think we're right around 10,000 feet here at this trailhead. 10.5 maybe, and we'll be up over 11.6, getting up on top of Music Pass. And the sun's just coming up.
Yep, sun's just coming up. This is Frank.
We're in the Sangre de Cristo Mountains.
So it's still pretty dark. Hope I'm illuminated right here. Again, Music Pass. Starting at about 10.6. Going up to about 11.6. Beautiful so far, high in the ponderosas. Let's go have some fun. Up at about 11,000 now. It's such a big view. You really can't capture it. Way out.
Yeah, way out. It's at the highest peak you see way out. That's Pikes Peak.
Pikes Peak. I'm not even going to try and capture that with the GoPro.
We'll see it better.
Yeah. Getting close. My thermometer has me at 11,430. Definitely thin. I'm a hero in the desert, but up here, whew, this is tough. But look at that. We are, how far along are we now, Adam?
Like right around probably 11.3 or 4 up here.
Yeah.
11.4, 11.5 maybe.
It's got 11.526.
Yeah, so.
This isn't the most accurate, but we're looking, and it's hard with the GoPro.
Coming up on the back side of some of the bigger peaks over here. I have to point them out to you when we're actually over here looking at them, which one's good. Down in the bottom of this valley is where the sand lakes are. And the sand lakes run, I have to double check the map, but I think they run between these two mountains all the way down to the sand dunes.
Wow.
The great sand dunes.
11,556 feet. Duration 40 minutes 45 seconds. You've completed 1 mile. Heart rate 133 beats per minute.
So I'm definitely feeling elevation effects. Oh, that's the one I was waiting on. Excuse me, YouTube.
So basically this valley, this basin is where all the water that runs down into the great sand dunes. This is where all the snow melt and everything that goes down in the sand dunes. That's the track it takes. So Music Pass is just a little bit further up here, but I want you to see this valley from right here. And I'd have to double check my map from here to tell you exactly which peaks those are.
Yeah.
Those are 13ers though, I'm sure
Yeah.
they're all 13ers.
It almost looks like that's an approach right there.
Yeah, it probably is. Creststones and Humboldt are right on the other side of this one.
Okay.
So
Sangre de
let's
Cristos.
keep moving this way and get up on top of Music Pass.
Blood of Christ Mountains. And Adam, tell us why they called it Music Pass. Give us a little history of Music Pass.
What I know about it is Music Pass got that name because when the wind blows, obviously up in the high altitude up here, and it comes up this valley, it makes a whistling noise or a musical sound. So that's how it got the name Music Pass. So, and the wind's blowing today, but it's probably got to be 80 or 90 miles an hour to get the
what they're talking about.
Yeah, the sound.
I'm man enough to admit, from here on out until we go back down, I think I'm gonna be kind of low-key dying the whole time. Put the camera down again, push on. Getting close. It's been close to 8 years since I've been at elevation this high. I forgot what a trip it is.
Okay, so we're right here at the pass, Music Pass, 1138 it says, and then the trail goes on down the other side out here to the Sand Lakes, and the Sand Lakes
into Great Sand Dune.
Well, no, this is the valley that's up at the head down here at the bottom of the mountains, and then the actual sand dunes are down here, like down in this area. So this is where we're fixing to get out here on Music Pass, right out here.
So we're heading out.
We're heading out this way right out here. Yep.
Marble Mountain is right here. That's Marble Mountain.
So this is Marble Mountain.
Okay.
Yeah.
Marble Mountain.
Mm-hmm. And on the other side of Marble Mountain is that place I was telling you about. There supposedly is a cave.
13266.
They closed off. There's like a old Spanish.
Oh yeah. Give that story. Give that story.
It's some lore here in the valley that on the other side of the mountain here on Marble Mountain there's a cave of some sort that they've got blocked off now. But the story goes that there's a skeleton in there of an old Spaniard soldier that's still wearing his helmet, like the old Spaniard helmet from, late 1700s or whatever. But supposedly it's up there on the mountain, Marble Mountain.
Old One-Eye Cristo. Tree. Dude, that is so awesome. That's from wind, huh? All the wood has this really funky, really sharp edges. The wind and the sand beating. start getting around 11, I start getting lightheaded. We're at just under 12,000 right now. These views are amazing. Might not be hard. It's hard to get me away from the Moab area this part of the year. Definitely feeling time to kind of move operations a bit more mobile. Stay tuned.
So, way out in the distance on the farthest horizon, you can see that's Pikes Peak. The highest spot out there is Pikes Peak. That's about probably 80 miles or so away from us right now.
What's the elevation there?
Elevation, Pikes Peak is, what does it run, like 14,340 or something like that up there, so it's a 14er. And then right here behind me, this closest mountain is Marble Mountain. You get Milwaukee Mountain right here, and on the other side of Milwaukee Mountain is where South Colony Trailhead is, and that's the trail you take to get up to Humboldt, Crestone Needle, and the Challenger Point and Kit Carson. Those are the 5 14ers that are all right there together. That's right there on the other side of Milwaukee. And then this sharpest, the pointed peak there, that's Music Mountain. And of course we're on Music Pass, and this is like Music Valley. Music Creek runs down through there.
We're starting our descent now. Been a blast. I got a feeling behind us more of this soon. Oh, here we go. Yeah, this is the gust of the music.
You wear me down. My actions won't be forgiven. When we first met, a simple text. Lips perfume master. Lips perfume master.
We are starting our descent now at 11,592 and dropping. That was a blast. The day's not done. Gonna have another hike down the valleys, go check out some mines. I know we still got a ways to go too, so but we'll be back.
Little by little, you wear me down.
You wear me down.
Back at the truck.
My actions won't be forgiven.
This is what was so dark when we got here.